I didn't see you guys there. That's okay. Now that you're here, welcome to Blackout Tinting. You know, things are rocking and rolling here as usual. I hope you guys have been doing well. Tell you the truth, I'm not today's host, but let's go find him. He is normally never here on Wednesdays. He is today, and he's our very own tint manager. Let's go find Nate. Nate is in the building. He'll be your host today.
Hello, hello. I am Nate. I'm never here on Wednesdays. I'm here with these gentlemen today. Doing a great job. I'm hosting What's in the Shop this week. Normally I am not here. Lucky for you guys, I am now here and you get to see my beautiful face. I'm the tint manager. These are our two beautiful tinters today, Terrell and Kevin. Kevin with a new beautiful haircut. They're doing XR fronts to match the fronts to back on this Jeep Willys with our ceramic line of film, so it'll block a lot of heat. It'll be a very good match. It's lifetime warranty too. If we look over behind us, there's some gentlemen out of the shop this week. They are down in San Antonio, Texas, competing in a window film and paint protection competition, but we're still very busy. This Scat Pack Charger was here for a very heavy paint correction. It's getting a fusion coating, so Max is currently coating the barrel of the wheels, getting everything nice and coated up so it's easy to keep clean. This is our paint protection manager's car. It is currently three-wheeling it because stance is life and he messed up his valve stem. This Model 3 was actually in a previous episode. It was here for a full XPEL Ultimate wrap. It's back now for a fusion coating. You also can't tell, but it actually has our XR Plus 55 film on it. It's got the whole kit and caboodle. Windshield's done, sides are done, back's done. Wheels off on this too, obviously. We have another Model 3 up here. Was also here for full front clip, fusion coating, and also XR Plus window film. So it is also touching every department pretty much. Khalid back here, he's hard at work on this Subaru. It also received XR Plus window film 55. It also received a full front clip. It is getting a fusion coating. I think this is one of the first new body style WRXs we've done film and coating on. We've tinted a couple, but that's all we have so far for coatings on them. Outside we have this beautiful Urus. It had some white vinyl on the fender flares. We removed that. The customer asked for us to put some carbon fiber on there and then wrap it with some XPEL Ultimate to give it the gloss and protection. So that got done over the course of the last week. We're gonna mess with Kevin again, see if he can do this window under pressure. You think that looks good?
No.
Oh, okay. You got air bubbles in it.
Yeah.
So outside, we have a 1999 Acura CO. We don't have any patterns for it, so Terrell and I are currently hand cutting that vehicle to make the patterns look nice. We got the sides done on. We still have the back window and visor to get done, but it should be ready for pickup at the end of the day. Not a lot going on in the shop, but still busy. Next up, we'll see what's in Gibsonia. Luke's up there. He'll be able to tell you what's going on at the Gibsonia location.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so it's time to take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. Outside, we have this F-150. This is getting all of the glass tinted. The side windows and the back window are getting net 5% in our Prime XR series. The panoramic sunroof and the full windshield are both getting 70% XR Plus for maximum heat rejection. Here we have this 2022 BMW X5. This got our full frontal paint protection film on the entire front bumper, the full hood, the two front fenders, and the mirror caps. Here we have Steve working on this Polaris slingshot. This is getting almost like a door sill piece on this tube here that is prone to being hit whenever you get in or out of the vehicle. So we're putting our Ultimate Plus PPF on that, so it won't get chipped up whenever it gets in or out of the vehicle. Back here we have a 2022 Tesla Model Y. This also got full front paint protection film on the entire front clip of the vehicle. Here's another 2022 Tesla Model Y. This one is a completed ceramic coating. We polished out all the paint and coated the entire body in our XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have a 1995 Chevy Corvette. This is in for our Prime CS 5% tint on the side windows, the back window, and the visor. Next up for tint is this Can-Am Defender. This is getting all the side windows and the back window done in our Prime XR 20% tint, along with a full windshield tint in our Prime XR Plus 70% tint. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Well, you guys guessed it. It's that time of the week again, so let's see what we have going on in the shop this week. I'm actually first going to start outside. It's actually raining, but that's where a majority of our things are. All right, so starting out here, we have a brand new Tesla Model X. This is white on white. This is in for a full XPEL paint protection film wrap, as well as XR Plus the whole way around, and the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating, which is going to go on every single surface. And then over here we have a brand new 2022 Ford Ranger Lariat. This one actually got our front bumper PPF, as well as the headlights and the grille. So it's all done. It is actually just waiting to be picked up. So it's gonna be heading home. And the mirrors are also done if I didn't mention that. All right, so inside we have Alfredo cutting some film. And then we have another great project. This is a 2023 C8 Corvette convertible. This was brought to us by our friend John. He's bringing this in, or he brought it in, I should say, for a full XPEL paint protection film wrap. We also tinted the windows in XR Plus 20%, and we're doing 70% on the windshield. And then we are going to be doing the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating over all of the exterior surfaces. This one's gonna look really good when it's all done. This is Rapid Blue. So that's all we have going on in the shop this week. Be sure to keep updated with us and see what we have going on next week at all of our locations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our videos, and tell us what else you want to see.